Hi, I'm Emily, your safety trainer, and in today's video, we'll be talking about cleaning spider webs safely. Spiderwebs are a fascinating sight. You may have seen them in the corners of your home or workplace, gathering dusty particles and catching stray beams of light. There are hundreds of species of spiders, each with their own unique web design. Knowing the design of a spider's web can help you identify which type of spider it is. Some are more dangerous than others. Cleaning cobwebs can be tricky and sometimes dangerous without the right tools and techniques, so it's important to make sure you have correct safety gear before taking on this job. With the right knowledge and materials, you can clean up those pesky cobwebs safely and effectively. There are so many amazing spiders in the world, with each species having its own unique characteristics and behavior. A common misconception is that all spiders spin webs, but in reality, only select species do so. The silk they produce from spinnerets on their abdomens lets them create intricate webs to catch prey or as a safe place for eggs. Other types of spiders use ambushing techniques to catch their prey, while others simply chase after it. In the US, some examples of web-spinning spider species include the black widow spider, wolf spider, hobo spider, giant house spider, and of course the American house spider. Additionally, there are 6 categories of web-spinning spiders: orb-weavers, triangle, funnel web, cobweb, mesh web, and sheet web. The design of a spider's web can tell you a lot about the species of the spider that made it. For instance, orb-weaver spiders create beautiful wheel-like webs with spirals that remind one of a ladder. Don't worry though, these impressive works of art are usually created by harmless garden spiders. On the other hand, triangle webs appear more fuzzy and have a distinct triangular appearance. Like many other types of spiders, these are generally not venomous and have tiny fibers woven into the web to help smother their prey. Funnel webs are characterized as large and flat and used both for traps and hiding. In the US, the hobo spider is the most common funnel spinner. While most spiders who build funnel webs are harmless to humans, there is a type in Australia that are on the deadliest spiders list. Cobwebs, which many people associate with spiders, are most often found indoors, on walls, basements, garages, and other storage areas. They tend to be super sticky and have a disorganized appearance. The black widow is an example of a cobweb building spider. For those who love the outdoors, you may be familiar with mesh webs. These webs are different from cobwebs as they tend to have a more organized shape and can usually be spotted in fields and under rocks, leaves, and other types of vegetation. Sheet webs, which can look like flat sheets, bowls, or domes, are built between blades of grass or branches by certain spider species. Some spiders, like the brown recluse, make messy webs more for resting or laying eggs as they will chase their prey.
Enjoying this safety video? There's more where that came from on Got Safety Lite. Sign up for free and gain access to our library of over 1,800 safety videos. If we don't have the lesson you're looking for, we'll make it at no cost. Click the link to sign up today.
Most types of spiders are harmless to humans, but there are occasionally some that carry venom that can cause severe health effects, such as with the brown recluse or black widow. Depending on the spider species, bites could lead to nausea, skin damage, and respiratory issues. Generally speaking, spider bites can be very painful experiences. Fortunately, you can protect yourself from spider bites by checking for a spider before you remove a web. Most webs that look dirty or damaged have been abandoned by their creator. If you do see the spider, it's best to leave it alone until you can safely remove it. Other dangers when dealing with webs is pesticide exposure and overreaching. Many of us don't pay much mind to how we lift and reach through our daily tasks, but it can be essential in avoiding overreaching injuries. When you utilize awkward body postures, like lifting heavy tools above your shoulders, you are putting added strain on your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. If this posture is repeated throughout the day, you increase your chances of developing an injury from overreaching. The good news is that these injuries can usually be prevented. By utilizing tools that extend reach and practicing proper posture when bending down, you can practice safe ergonomics and help keep yourself healthy and injury-free. Tools that can help include vacuums with hose attachments, dusters with extending poles, pressure washers, and other tools made so you can reach high or low places. When pesticides are used, methods and concentration should be made in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Personal protective equipment may be required, such as coveralls, gloves, goggles, boots, respirators, and aprons. Spiders have an important role in the ecosystem. However, dealing with those pesky webs they spin can be a challenge. Cleaning up spider webs may require reaching tricky places, so it's best to practice proper ergonomics so you're not injuring yourself while trying to get to those hard-to-reach areas. It also doesn't hurt to give the area a good check first. After all, some spiders are venomous. With a calm, careful approach and safety in mind, you'll be sure to rid your space from clutter quickly and safely. That's all for today's lesson. If you like this video, look for us on social media, and remember, stay safe out there.